What does it mean to be human in an age where our bodies and digital technology are becoming increasingly intertwined? Dr. Hwa A Lim delves into this profound question, exploring the seamless integration of our carbon-based selves with silicon-based devices. Dr. Lim introduces a compelling perspective. We are evolving into a carbon-silicon hybrid. Traditional notions of human identity are expanding as we embed more technology into our lives, not just externally, but potentially within our very bodies. These devices, while external for now, are on a clear trajectory towards becoming integral parts of us, miniaturized and eventually internal. He argues that our reliance on digital devices to store everything from personal memories to vast amounts of intellectual data isn't just a shift in habit, but a transformative movement towards enhancing human capabilities. These devices, packed with sensors and artificial intelligence, are not merely tools, but extensions of our own biological systems. Dr. Lim points out the unique advantage of digital systems, their ability to be copied, backed up and recreated, offering a form of immortality that biological systems cannot. In healthcare, Dr. Lim sees these digital advancements as revolutionary. Traditional methods like the brief annual checkups currently used to monitor health fall short. They capture only a snapshot of our health at a particular moment, often skewed by the day's stresses. Continuous monitoring through digital devices provides a more accurate and comprehensive view of an individual's health over time. This shift from episodic to continuous monitoring could transform healthcare from reactive to proactive, focusing on prevention rather than just treatment. Dr. Lim also highlights the potential of digital epidemiology. By analyzing trends in internet searches geographically, we can predict and respond to disease outbreaks much more effectively. However, he cautions that without proper scientific scrutiny, data alone can be misleading. Furthermore, Dr. Lim envisions a future where even more advanced technologies like nanotechnology play a critical role. Nanosensors could detect early signs of diseases such as cancer by identifying specific chemicals in the blood, and nanoparticles could target and destroy cancer cells with unprecedented precision. In conclusion, Dr. Lim emphasizes that the continuity of our identity is not dependent on whether it's housed in a biological or digital substrate. We are on the brink of creating a more durable, capable substrate for our identity, not to replace the biological, but to enhance and extend it. This shift towards a hybrid human existence holds the promise of not just better health and longevity, but a new understanding of what it means to be human for future generations.